Went to Harbor Freight. Got me this little 4.5-inch bandsaw. Been wanting one for a long time, so decided to just go get one. Got it for like $180 some with a coupon. We'll get her together and we'll see how it does. Well, got it all put together. Seems to be a pretty good outfit for the money. One thing I will probably do, instead of just spraying oil on it, I'm going to come underneath here, probably drill a couple of holes, and make some kind of little oil pan, and get some kind of like a little aquarium pump or something like that that'll pump some kind of thin oil, run me a tube up here and make some kind of automatic oiler. We'll see how that goes. But I'll put a piece of metal in here and give y'all a little demonstration. Okay. Give y'all a little demonstration of it. Put a little oil on that. Balanced on the garage floor. I got it sitting on the edge of the concrete here by the door. Which now I don't have a whole lot of pressure pushing down on it. I got the spring adjustment for these old cheap Harbor Freight blades. They say what comes with it ain't that good a blade, and I don't want to burn it up quick. Which this is down pressure right here, the spring. Just turn this knob. That handle vibrating. You can see over it. It's not doing a real bad job. I mean, for the money. Good outfit for the money. Better than a hacksaw. I used to use the Sawzall quite a bit, but it's hard to get a good straight line. And when doing bars and stuff like that, you know, this thing is going to come in a lot handier. When it gets done. It's already pushing on it. But not a bad product for the money, that's for sure. There y'all have it.